I'm gonna get my depth by leaning in with my body. I'm not gonna back out. And then I'm gonna set that tension just like that. And the first step is we're gonna bring this arm back just like this. And you'll feel that pull right away. And we wanna get this motion first. Then we'll slowly drop it in. And we're gonna hold that for a 5 to 6 count. So you're in here, you're over top, and sometimes if you're having trouble getting some of that depth, you can lean over with your body. That helps you get in there a little deeper, and then you can set your tension just like that. Bring that back nice and slow. We're not in a rush here. As we bring that back, see how that comes back further? And once you get some of that motion, you can slowly drop it with this other one, and our tension's gonna be leaning with that body. And when it's really bad, at the end here, I will lean on that for about 5 or 6 seconds to open that up.